Let's quickly learn how to use ChatGPT on your PC. Welcome back to a new tutorial video, everyone. If you've been using ChatGPT on your phone through the app and you're trying to use it on your PC as well, let me show you how it is done. Now, to use ChatGPT on the PC or the laptop, you need to open up a web browser. So open up any web browser of your choice, whether it be Google Chrome, Brave, or Microsoft Edge. Once you open up the web browser, search for chatgpt.com. Once you search for this, you'll be taken to this screen where you can now log into your account. So if you already have an account, click on the login button, select the option which you use while creating an account of ChatGPT. If you use your email address, type in the email address and the password that you use while signing up. If you use other options such as Google or Microsoft, click on these individual options, select your Google or Microsoft account, and you'll be immediately logged in. Now, once you've been logged into your account, this chat section will open up where you can use it for various tasks, whether you want to ask queries or if you want to solve any problems. Other than the normal use of ChatGPT, there are different searches that you can do or different GPTs that you can go into. If you head over to the GPT section, there are a bunch of GPTs that you can use, and these are all the subtopics that you can go into. So for example, if you're using ChatGPT for research or analysis, you can head over to these GPTs where you can choose your niche and select a GPT to use. Other than this, there is an option called Sora, which is the video generation platform from ChatGPT. So that is the way that you use ChatGPT on your PC. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.